Hi and welcome to Steam Powered Family. Today we're doing a really fun electromagnetic train experiment. This is a quick and easy but powerful way to demonstrate the relationship between electricity, magnetism, and motion known as electromagnetism. Whenever an electric current flows through a wire, it generates a magnetic field around that wire. This magnetic field is invisible, but its effects can be observed through motion. For our supplies, we're going to need about 4 meters of bare copper wire, about 20 gauge. You're going to need a AA battery and 4 neodymium disc magnets, plus 2 small clamps and a little bit of tape and a wooden dowel or broomstick. We're going to start by taping the end of our wire onto our broomstick. So we're just going to take a little bit of tape there and secure it. Now for our next bit, this is going to take a little bit of time, but it's a great activity for building fine motor skills with your kids, is to start wrapping it around the dowel. And you're going to start by just going around, getting it started here. And you want to make sure that the wire is touching as much as you can. We will tighten it up at the end, but you want to make sure that that wire is nice and close as much as you can on the broomstick or dowel. And you're going to want to keep wrapping and wrapping and wrapping and wrapping until we've got all 4 meters wrapped around the dowel. So we're just going to speed it up here, and we're going to keep going and wrapping, and it should work out to about 30 centimeters long by the time you finished wrapping it all off. We didn't trim ours, so we're going to trim now, but that is 4 meters or so. Now we're going to use a clip, and we're going to stick one at one end, and then we're going to just really squish up that wire and get it really nice and tight on the dowel. And that's where that 30 centimeters is very much just a guideline. It really depends on how tight you were wrapping as you went. So once we get that all nice and snug on there with those clips, we're going to leave it for 5 minutes just to try and help that copper wire really set into those curls and make basically a really long spring of copper coiled wire. So you can see that that's really nice and springy, and your kids can kind of move it around and play with it a little bit, but don't let them stretch it out too much. We want to keep this in place because that's going to be our track for our train. And now we want to build out our train. So we're going to take our battery, and our battery needs to be one that does have a magnetized ends, and we're going to do north poles on the inside with those big magnets, and then south poles on the outside. If they're backwards, and you'll see that's what happens here for us, it won't work. It means that some of our batteries are the wrong way around, so we just need to flip them and get them the correct way. Put the positive end of the battery in first, and you'll see it'll zip along our little train track. So there we go. We'll try that one more time. So now you can take your track, and if you want to make it just kind of keep going and going, put it into the end, positive end first, put them really close together, and then we're going to take the 2 ends and we're going to connect them right after we put our battery in and create a little track. So it just goes around and around in a circle. And there it goes. We have a full lesson available on Steam Powered Family that dives into all of the science behind this activity, along with a number of different teacher prompts and notes that you can use with your classroom. Visit steampoweredfamily.com for more information. Bye for now.